Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add a caption to a BeReal that you've already posted. If you want to add a caption to your BeReal even after you've already posted it, here's how you can do it. First of all, launch the BeReal app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on Profile at the bottom right. Now you will end up in this page where you can see your posted BeReals. Tap on one of the BeReals that you've already posted and where you want to add the caption to. After you open up the BeReal, you will see Add a Caption option under the BeReal post. Simply tap on that and enter a new caption. Type in your caption and then click on the little airplane icon at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will see that you have successfully added a caption and your caption will now appear in the BeReal. So that was how you can easily add a caption on BeReal that you've already posted. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.